Hi, my name is Mike with Legacy Plumbing, and we're going to talk about your shutoff valves and how to check them and what you need to know about your shutoff valves. So, before you mess with your shutoff valves, you need to know where your water meter is or how to shut the water off to your house, and make sure you have a meter key to get into your meter to actually shut the water off to your house. In case of an emergency, you're going to want to shut that water off. So we have a couple different styles of shutoff valve. Under this sink here, we have quarter turn shutoff valves. Quarter turn shutoff valves are what's preferred today. They're actually just a quarter of a turn, shuts them off. Show you an example here. We've got the water on, quarter of a turn, water's off. This sink here has braided supply lines. That's preferred supply line for this installation. The difference between this shutoff valve and a multi-turn shutoff valve is a multi-turn has a rubber washer in it. It turns multiple times to be able to shut it off. Over time, I'd say about 10 years. 10 years. 10 years is about the average life of your shutoff valves. So what happens is this rubber washer in the back starts wearing out over time, and when you shut the water off, it'll crumble apart, or when you turn the water back on, pieces of that rubber washer break apart and end up in your faucet. Quarter turn is the preferred. Braided stainless supply lines with stainless on the top and the bottom is also preferred. This is going to be your strongest supply line and what's going to last the longest. They go all the way up and connect to the faucet, and they come down and connect to the shutoff valve. Your toilets are also going to have a shutoff valve. This is another quarter turn shutoff valve, just a little bit different style. Quarter of a turn, it's off. Quarter of a turn, it's on. Your shutoff valves and your supply lines at your toilets are pretty important. Toilets get backed up, toilets want to flood. You want to be able to shut your water off efficiently, so a good shutoff valve is something to have. Also, a lot of installs had plastic on the top of the supply line. These plastic shutoff valves were notorious for coming apart. If you over tighten it, it could split on the seam, flood your house. If you're cutting your water on and off, or you have high water pressure, it could also blow this apart and flood the house. This supply line here is what we prefer. It's stainless steel on the top. Screws directly to the fill valve on the bottom of the toilet. Nice secure connection. That's all I got today. Thank you.